Greetings from YogaKshema. Why and how to overcome fear? Fear, as they say, is the mother of all negative emotions. Most negative emotions stem from fear. Before we go into how to overcome fear, let us look at why do we need to overcome fear. As Daniel Goleman says, whenever there is fear, there is amygdala hijack. What does this mean? When there is fear, amygdala, an almond-shaped part of the limbic system of the brain, gets activated to an extent that it disables the frontal lobe, preventing us to use our discerning power, our reasoning power. Activation of amygdala also releases a lot of neurochemicals which induces fear, anxiety, stress, confusion, and doubt. This, on a long-term basis, leads to chronic stress. Then, how do we overcome fear? Let us understand why we get fear from another perspective. When we are thinking about future in an anxious manner or the past from a regretful manner, fear ensues. Under these conditions, we are unsatisfied with our present moment. If that is so, can we try and be in the present moment without regret or anxiety? If we can accomplish this, to be in the present moment without being critical about future or condemning the past, then we can surely overcome fear. This is what being mindful is all about. Our next question is, then how to be mindful? Training our mind to be in the present moment without being critical is all about being mindful. We accomplish this by focusing on our breath. Breath is the bridge between our body and mind. As our focus on breathing wanders, mind also wanders. What does this mean? Our focus goes back to our mind, our thoughts, whatever thought crops up at that moment. When that happens, bring your focus back to your breathing. Do not pay attention to the thought. Just witness the thought and keep bringing the focus back on breathing. Do this for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes and try this mindful breathing, preferably sitting at the same place and at the same time each day and every day. This mindful breathing practice is a way to train our mind. Over a period of time, this becomes a habit. Habit of being in the present moment, not disturbed about the future or troubled by the past, but being in the here and now. Being in the present moment, here and now and here, in a non-judgmental, non-critical manner is the surest way to overcome fear.